Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan viewers. In this video, I will talk about the new offer of Samsung, which is buy and try. Yes, in this program, actually you can buy a foldable smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 5G or Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. You can buy any of the smartphone and you can use this smartphone for 100 days. In 100 days, if you don't like this smartphone, you can return this to Samsung. Yes, this is true. And previously, this returning window for just 15 days, but now Samsung expanded it to 100 days. This is just for to figure out for the customers which is good for you, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. And this offer is available on samsung.com. You can, when you will buy a smartphone, you can see the option of 100 days returning. And this is an amazing program. I would appreciate the Samsung, and you should try this program. The purpose of this program is just to make sure the customer which smartphone is better for him. And you can have the price, official price as well. You can read the terms and conditions as well as per your country. So go and check on samsung.com and check this offer. I will keep you updated. Share this video with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.